here, baby. Go play. Go play, baby. Toby, come here. Here they go. No, Ace. Ezu, bad boy.
Stay there, stay.
Hey, no, bad boy.
On, stay.
No, come here. No, stay. Sit, stay. Toby, no. No more playing. It's almost time to go outside. Ace, no. Bye, little doggy. Do you guys want to go inside? Sure, Toby doesn't. Oh, so I hope you guys saw that dog. That dog, he actually, he's a friend of these two. That was Toby's first little friend. Not little, but that was their new friend. And apparently he always comes here. And apparently they play for a little while. Like about, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes till he pees and plays with Toby, and Ez was just like walking around saying like, what the fuck are they doing? So yeah, it's time to go inside. Babies, come on, let's go, Munchkins. Come on, Munchkin. Come on, let's go, my Munchkins. Are you ready, Munchkins? Toby, I gotta get that collar off you. Come on, Ez.